have another flexibility series for you. As I'm always saying, flexibility is so important. We want to make sure that our muscles recover after our workouts, and we want to prevent injuries. You got a tight calf muscle? Come on, let's take care of it. Tight shoulders? Let's take care of it. All right, come into a comfortable position, feet under those hips, soft knees, shoulders back and down, pull those abs up and in. Just nice and soft. We're gonna reach up with a deep breath. Here we go. Really reach up and then let it out. And as you let it out, think about those shoulders sliding down into place. Good, one more time. Oh, let it out. Let out whatever tension you're holding on to right now, right? Let's do it again. Good. All right, let's step it back with that right foot. So we're stepping it back into a little bit of a lunge. Drop that heel down to the ground. You're gonna feel a nice stretch up through the back of your calf and your hamstring. If you want a deeper stretch, lean forward ever so slightly. Oh yeah, you feel that. But remember, stretches should never make you say, ugh. Stretches should make you say, ah. So if it hurts, ease up. There is no reason to injure yourself while stretching. That really defeats the purpose, doesn't it? A couple more breaths. All right, let's step it in. So now, we're gonna take that same foot forward, sending those hips back. Oh yeah, there it is. And if you want, you can reach down, same hand, same foot. Again, make sure you're pulling your abs up and in. We want to make sure that we are always protecting our lower back. Awesome. All right, let's step that in. Shake it out, and let's step it back with that left foot. All right, drop that heel to the ground. You're gonna feel that stretch in that little lunge, and if you're ready, you can lean it forward ever so slightly, and oh, there it is. Whew. I taught a particularly energetic class yesterday, so this feels amazing. Breathe. Remember, don't force it. There's no reason to do that. One more breath. Awesome, let's step it in. And same thing, we're gonna bring that heel down to the ground, toes up, sending those hips back. Oh, there it is. And if you want, you can reach down, same hand, same foot. Oh, that feels really, 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 really good. How many reallys can I say? Really, 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 really good. All right, roll that up. Now I want you to carefully, if you need a chair for balance, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, go ahead, grab that right ankle with your right foot and carefully pull that heel into your glutes. Sometimes, just extending an arm off to the side is gonna help you balance. Keep that standing leg soft. So we're trying to stretch through the front of our quads there. That giant muscle in our thighs does so much for us. Let's give it some love. Breathe. One more deep breath. Good job. All right, carefully let that go. All right, let's take the left ankle into our left hand. Go up, grab your chair if you need it. Pull that heel into your glutes. Remember, soft standing leg. If you keep it locked, you're more likely to hurt yourself. So let's not do that, okay? Oh yeah. Those quads are giant muscles. They do so much for us, especially in bar. Oh, give them some love. All right, one more deep breath. Beautiful, let that down. All right, let's come out into a little bit of a wider second position here. So your toes are out. Make sure those knees are over those toes. We're gonna reach up and over. Oh, stretch through your side here. And I really want you to think about reaching through those fingertips towards that opposite wall. Just stretch out that arm. And then lift it up. And go the other way. Oh. Beautiful. Oh, these feels so good. It seems like you're not doing much, but we are. We're lengthening and strengthening those muscles. They worked so hard for us in our workout. Let's do one more each way. Let's give them the love that they deserve. Good, reach up. One more. Reaching over to the left. Reach up. Good. Let's come to the top of our mats, bottom of our mats, depending on how you're looking at it. All right, give me a big deep breath up. Oh, forward fold. Walk it out to a downward facing dog. Okay, so your hips are up in the air. Pedal out those heels. Again, what you could do is you could drop just one heel down. You can drop that right heel, leave that left heel up. So you're getting another great stretch up through the back of your right leg. And then you can switch and stretch out that left side. Fabulous. All right, when you're ready, we're going to come down into a plank. Don't worry, we're not going to hold it. Just step it up to the outside of your right hand with that right foot. Sink down into that stretch. If it feels better, you drop that back knee. Otherwise, we're just trying to open up those hip flexors, okay? So let's plant that left hand. Rotate that right hand up to the sky. Oh, beautiful. Ooh, it feels so good. One more deep breath. All right, plant that hand. All right, let's switch it out. So take that right leg back. Step it up with that right foot, left foot to the outside of your left hand. And remember, if you want to drop that back knee, drop the back knee. When you're ready, you can plant that right hand, rotate up to the sky with that left hand. Say hello. I do this stretch in every single class that I teach because we do so much with our hip flexors. It's so important to get them limber and not have them feel all tight on us. All right, one more deep breath. Good, let's plant that hand. Take that leg back, drop those knees, bring those big toes together, take those knees wide, sit it back, active child pose. Really reach those fingers forward. Oh, feels so good. Let's walk them up and over to the left. Sink down so you can stretch behind that right shoulder blade. Make sure you're pulling your abs up and in, always protecting that lower back, right? Even while stretching, especially while stretching. All right, let's walk it back center. Let's take it up and over to the right so we can sink down, stretch behind that left shoulder. Breathe into it, and don't force it, remember? Oh, really good. All right, let's walk it back center. And then we can roll that up carefully. Let's come around. Just seated. Let's stretch those legs long in front of us. All right, let's take a nice big deep breath up. Forward fold. Now, we are pulling our abs up and in so we can stretch that lower back. Don't hurt it. Your flexibility might be here. Your flexibility might be all the way over folded into a pretzel. Either way, it's what makes you feel successful. Don't force it. The more you do exercises like this, the more flexible you will become. Good, let's roll that up. Let's take that right ankle across that left knee, hook that left elbow. Give yourself a little twist. Really easy spine twist here. Don't force it. Breathe. All right, release that. Let's switch sides. So bring that left ankle over that right knee. Hook that right elbow. Looking over your left shoulder and breathing. Don't force it. Nice, easy position. One more big deep breath up. Let it out, keeping those shoulders back and down. Great job, guys. I hope you feel a lot more flexible after that. Visit this anytime you want to lengthen and strengthen those muscles. Take care of all that tightness. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like these videos, comments. When you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when my new videos drop. You can follow me on Instagram at Molly@the_Barre. You can visit my website, molly@thebarre.com. I am so proud of you for coming today to take care of your health for both your head and your heart. Until next time.